Mylan, the drug company that created outrage with the dramatic price increase of the EpiPen, is on the defensive this morning. A new report shows a big rise in complaints about the device not working in life-threatening emergencies. Bloomberg says 228 people this year reported failures of EpiPen, which injects a drug that can cause severe allergic reactions. That's up from 2012, when just 4 failures were reported. Tony Dokoupil shows us one family's scary experience and Mylan's response to the reports. Tony, good morning.
Good morning. Mylan doesn't take issue with the data, but says Bloomberg's article is misleading. It says a rise in reports of failures doesn't necessarily mean a rise in actual failures, and suggests heightened attention on the company and increased prescriptions could be to blame. Of course, for those who depend on the device, any failure is unacceptable.
Watching your child sit there scream to you, "Don't let me die," is awful for any parent to have to go through. And so,
Tina Hampton's moment of panic was made worse after she reached for an EpiPen. This past spring, her 6-year-old daughter, whom she doesn't want on camera, was gasping for breath after an allergic reaction to peanuts.
And when I pulled it out, the needle did not go back inside of the EpiPen, it was bent.
It sliced her daughter's leg, leaving a scar. She credits a backup EpiPen for saving her child's life. Bloomberg obtained data from the FDA linking 228 reports of EpiPen failures to 7 deaths and 35 hospitalizations this year. The FDA cautions that with its reporting system, there is no certainty that the reported event was due to the product.
It's a very easy device to use, but someone in a panic might use it wrong.
Dr. Scott Sischer is a pediatric allergy expert. He showed us how quickly the EpiPen deploys.
1, 2, 3.
Slow motion gives a better look at how it delivers a dose of epinephrine, just 1 shot per device. In emergencies, he says some folks get confused, holding it the wrong way.
When they press it, they then get the medication into their thumb.
Despite the increase in reports of failures since 2012, Mylan says no changes have been made to the EpiPen device since 2009. The company says they haven't found a causal connection between reported patient deaths and the EpiPen.
Now, there was a recall of some EpiPens earlier this year due to a defective part, but the FDA tells us we are not aware of defective EpiPens currently on the market and recommend that consumers use their prescribed epinephrine auto-injector. Now, as for Tina Hampton, the mom at the beginning who had the scar on her daughter's leg, she has switched to a competing injector.
Tony? She used a backup EpiPen, though, to
She had a backup, so the pen still worked ultimately, but if there's been some confusion here, it might be something that EpiPen take another look at.
All right, can I just say the wedding ring looks very good on your
Well,
hand.
thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Welcome back.
I appreciate it. I'm a very lucky man.
Yes, you are.
You are.
She is, too.
Tony, thank you very much.